Your reading companion.
Chapter 1 The Whispering Tree. Zara lived near Whisker Woods, a forest so quiet you could hear the trees breathe. One sunny afternoon, she and her clever cat Toby were exploring when they heard a strange whisper. "Did you hear that?" Zara asked. Toby twitched his ears. "It came from that big tree." They tiptoed closer. The tree had a tiny door at its base. On the door was a note. "To those who are kind and brave, a secret path I gladly gave." Zara's eyes sparkled. "A secret path? Let's find it." Chapter 2 The Owl's Riddle. Inside the tree was a spiral staircase made of glowing mushrooms. At the top sat Mr. Puddlewick, a wise old owl with glasses. "Welcome," he hooted. "To enter the heart of Whisker Woods, you must solve my riddle." He fluffed his feathers and said, "I have no legs, but I can run. I have no lungs, but I breathe. What am I?" Zara thought hard. Toby pawed at a puddle nearby. "A river!" Zara shouted. Mr. Puddlewick smiled. "Correct! You may pass." Chapter 3 The Hidden Garden. Beyond the owl's perch was a hidden garden filled with talking flowers, giggling squirrels, and a fountain that sang lullabies. In the center stood a glowing stone. Zara touched it gently. Suddenly, the garden shimmered and a message appeared in the air. Kindness opens every door. Share this magic forevermore.
Grammar part coming up at the end.
Zara and Toby promised to keep the secret safe and share kindness wherever they went. From that day on, Zara became the guardian of Whisker Woods. She helped lost animals, planted flowers, and told stories of the magical garden to anyone who needed a little wonder in their life.
Now it's time for some grammar work. Do you know what nouns are? Nouns are names of persons, places, animals, or things.
Examples of nouns from the story: Zara, Toby, forest, garden, cat, owl, door, flowers.
Can you name the things you see in this picture? Here are the answers. Ready for more? Watch this next.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.